How to recover your Gmail account without the verification code. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily recover your Gmail account on your PC without having to enter your verification code. Let's get started. As you guys see right here, I have my browser open, which is Google Chrome. You can use browser of your preference, and here you want to type in Google account support. So once you search for it, this link will pop up. So just open this link. And here you want to enter your email address to find your account. But if you don't find it here, that's all right. You just want to head over back here and click on the second one, Help Community, this one. And it will open up this Google account helps support page where you have different tabs on the top. You just want to head over to the community tab. Just click on it, and now here you can describe your issue, what you are looking for. But if you don't find the post related to your problem, you can head down over here and click on post a question. So just click right here, and you can give a short summary of your issue saying your account is not accessible, or you have lost access to your account. So just say I have lost access to my account. Then you can type in a brief detail about your problem. Then you can select your category to account access and recovery. And once you do this, just click on next and it will be posted. Then a Google help representative will be able to contact you through your email. You just have to check it, and they will send you a possible solution. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.